थोड़ा मूवमेंट मारने देना था. Okay, he'll help you. Finally, the 650 is back.
This is called teamwork.
Teamwork and brotherhood, biking brotherhood.
Teamwork.
Look at that mountain there. Oh, what a place. Look at the view here, man. This point is awesome. Seriously, a photogenic place. Okay, so this view is majestic. It is also very good. But Sandy Bhai is telling we have better views. So let's go. Oh, so many bikers. So he's gonna lift this bike today.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
The time is 10:50 and I've just reached Timappan Betta. You can just see the hillock there. What I have done in this trip is that I'm going to cook food, both the breakfast as well as the lunch. So let's see how it goes on, and let's set up my kitchen. I'll just let you know as to how things will happen, what I've purchased, everything in this vlog, so that it'll be beneficial for you if you people are riding on Corona time. So don't have food outside, just try to make it by yourself, and that's what I'm going to do. My 3 packet banao na.
Hey guys, so there he is, the boy of Band. The Maggie is ready and we are all hungry. We are all going to pound for the
एक और ग्लास डालेंगे होल्ड करने के लिए.
डाल थोड़ा मूवमेंट मारने देना था. Okay, he'll help you. The 650 is back. My brother Mastan Bhai from MK Super Bikes is going to help me. He helped Sandy Bhai. 650. Keep it in idling, okay? Don't drop the bike. So Mastan Bhai मेरी गाड़ी. He will. He's going to tow my bike. Finally, my bike is on. Things go on. Thank you so much, Mastan Bhai. I know you're watching this vlog as well. I'll personally thank you there also, and thank you so much for turning on my bike. Start ho gaya. Teamwork and brotherhood. This is called real brotherhood, man. This is biking brotherhood. So finally, we're gonna ride towards the mountains now. So actually I'm really very happy that all my friends, both of my friends have helped one another. Actually I didn't help, I would not say that I didn't help, but we helped one another. Basically these two guys helped me to get my bike started, and likewise Mastan Bhai helped Sandeep Bhai to turn on his bike. So all in one, it was a very good biking brotherhood. The real biking brotherhood was seen today in this vlog. I hope this remains forever. Look at that mountain there. Oh, what a journey, man. This seems to be must. Oh, that's awesome. Some boats here. Oh, what a view, bro. Awesome, man. Wow, what a view. Look at the view here, man. This point is awesome. Seriously, a photogenic place. I'm really enjoying the scenic beauty. Let's move ahead. Okay, so this view is majestic. It is also very good, but Sandy Bhai is telling we have better views. So let's go. Interceptor 650 riding on the rock. SC150 making through. Oh, so many vehicles. I've never did this experience before. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. The time is 10:50 and I've just reached Timapam Betta. You can just see the hillock there, and this is something which we are gonna spend some time here. And what I have done in this trip is that I'm going to cook food, both the breakfast as well as the lunch. So let's see how it goes on, and let's set up my kitchen. I'll just let you know as to how things will happen, what I've purchased, everything in this vlog, so that it'll be beneficial for you if you people are riding on Corona time. So don't have food outside, just try to make it by yourself, and that's what I'm going to do. And with me is as usual Angrezi Vlogs and हमारे मस्तान भाई. So he's gonna lift this bike today.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
So I bought my small kitchen here on my second seat, and I'll just unload this and keep it there and then show you people as to what I've bought. So let's start. भाई हमारे कुछ जुगाड़ कर रहे हैं अपने बंजी कॉर्ड से, और वहाँ पर अंग्रेजी व्लॉग्स पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं अपने फ़ोन पर, और मैं यहाँ अपना गैजेट चार्ज में डाल के अपना किचन का रेडी कर रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स डू इट. लेट्स स्टार्ट कुकिंग. दिस इज़ द पोर्टेबल. भाई मुझे ज़रा ये देना भाई, सैनिटाइज़र. दिस इज माई पोर्टेबल गैस. People, you can see. Stuffs so that we don't disturb anyone, and on the other hand it is an adventure also.
It is an adventure, but yes, there's a downside, because as you're busy cooking, you can't explore.
See,
do you feel that?
No, because I love cooking.
Oh, you love cooking.
So I believe like I love cooking for others than for myself.
Okay,
so भाई बहुत गर्म है मस्तान भाई. So finally prepared Maggi for ourselves. I don't know how it's gonna be tasting like, but let's see. After these people give me the review, I'll be motivated or either demotivated. No, I would not be demotivated. I'll better myself up. So let's ask Angrezi Vlogs. बताइए कैसा है?
घाप छेप खींच रहे हो ना?
Exactly.
How's it?
Exactly like how it should be.
Yeah, seriously?
Yeah.
और भाई आप बोलो.
फर्स्ट सिप लिया. It was nice. Thank you so much. बहुत भूख लगी थी. आई रियली नीडेड एनर्जी. अभी इससे बहुत एनर्जी आएगी और बहुत मस्ती करने वाले हैं हम लोग मिलके, जगदीश भाई के साथ, सैंडी भाई के साथ.
Good.
Thank you.
Let's see. वो तो तारीफ, you people are praising me.
100 rupees per cup.
But I don't know how it has been cooked.
100 rupees per cup Maggi. 100 rupees. Anybody need it?
So मस्तान भाई मजाक कर रहे हैं कि people if you need Maggi we'll give you 1 cup for 100 rupees. नहीं 100 rupees नहीं चाहिए भाई, 10 रुपए में देंगे. Okay, so the moment of truth, I'll just try and have, and how it is I'll just let you know. It's good. It's not spicy. The salt is, I have salt less, so I believe for these people it is correct. For me also adjustable, but not that much also. But salt ठीक है ना?
बढ़िया.
बढ़िया है जगदीश भाई.
It's really made out well, and इन लोग झूठ नहीं बोल रहे मुझे लगता.
So मैगी के साथ एक ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, ग्रीनरी. अभी खत्म ही नहीं किया भाई, हेवी होगा, उनको डाल दो. Give me 1 spoon that.
So after cooking, and I'm packing my kitchen. This is the waste which I get, and these are the waste. That is with our bottles, everything I packed inside this, and this is a garbage bag. We'll drop this garbage in any good place where we have dustbin. So after the photo shoot, we are going ahead to our next destination. But before that, we just planned to take a photo of our bikes just standing in the background there. So I'll show you the view, and then we'll take a photo and go to the next destination. It's already 12:45 and then it's a little bit humid. So
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So I don't know which trail we are going. We all together are actually enjoying this trail. It's a totally off-road trail, I don't know, but you people don't try this solo. Try it with your group if you want to try it. And this kind of trail, please don't use your rear brake much. Oh my god, it's beautiful, man. I'm enjoying it, seriously. This trail is really awesome, man. I'm like enjoying it to the core. It's awesome, man, awesome. I'm just loving it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm just enjoying it, yaar. Seriously. I know, Sandy, I'm sorry, but I'm enjoying this. I know I deviated the road, but this is simply awesome. Awesome to next level. Oh, never use your rail brake. Oh man, this is beautiful, man. Oh, what an off-road trail, bro. Oh my god, this seems to be awesome. Oh my god, I'm really enjoying it. This is what I can say. Oh my god, क्या trail है यार ये.
Can make me move. You can make me move.
Oh my god, this trail.
Can make me move.
Short right track.
You can make me move.
Short right track. संदीप भाई सॉरी यार, लेकिन कैसा था ट्रेल?
बढ़िया था, लेकिन कहाँ जाएंगे?
Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So finally the paneer is in the preparation. You can see I have to put the end product into it. So just waiting for the gravy to get finalized, and then we'll do it. So let's do. So finally the paneer is almost done. It will take another 5 minutes. I have my friends along with me. I'm sorry I'm introducing them again and again, but this is a very good spot which Mastan bhai and Sandy bhai has got for us. And this guy is always on his Instagram.
Phone, I'm sorry, I'm phone editing guy. When I come out, phone.
But you have come for a trip, okay? So you should enjoy that.
I'm enjoying
Also-
the paneer smell. It's coming out right now.
Okay, so the paneer is almost done. So Sani bhai, are you ready with the parathas? Have you sanitized your hand? Sanitize your hand first.
I'm gonna sanitize my hands.
Our Sani bhai will prepare chapatis for us, which is ready-made chapati, and then we'll sit and enjoy the food. So let's continue, and I'll show you, and I'll also give you the review as to how they felt about the paneer. So let's go. So finally had the lunch around 3:30, and now the time is 4:20, 4:30, and we are heading towards Bangalore. But just before that, we'll be going to Kaunsa Dam? Kanwa Dam. So if we are in Kanwa Dam, the dam is on that side. So we'll just go that side and click 2-3 pictures and then leave to Bangalore. So let's go soon. So it's time around 4:55, and then we have reached to Kanwa Reservoir just behind me. We were actually preparing our food somewhere there. I am sure you cannot see that. We have come from that part to this part via this road. And then I'm just vlogging here just to say that it is a very peaceful place, and definitely I would recommend you people to come here and check this place, because you know, after coming to this place, I assure you, if you're coming in the evening, you will be blessed with warm breeze and sun setting down there with a view behind, and awesomely you can sit here or stand here, enjoy the breeze. I promise that you will be very, very, very in a peaceful state. So with my suggestion, please come and do visit this Kanwa Reservoir, and it's just 10 kilometers from the previous destination, and so enjoy this place.
Can make me